Okay, good morning everyone. Here we are starting again with our second part of accounting equation. Before it, I have already started our accounting equation in our first part, and I covered some theory as well as some basic effects in the first part. Now we are covering with our starting with our practical example. Illustration number first, page number 5.6. Okay. So, this is the formats of accounting equation which I have already discussed in our first part. That is the serial number, transaction is there. Here the equation is asset is equal to liability plus capital. Okay, so see the question in your book. There is first transaction will be written. Sachin started business with cash of around 1 lakh rupees in cash. So I have written already the transaction that Sachin started the business with cash. Sachin started business with cash, then it is impacting two things. One is cash and one is capital. Both are increasing. Sachin has started business, तो business में पैसा लगाया तो कैश बढ़ा और कैपिटल भी इंक्रीज हुई. So that's why we are writing here. Assets 1 lakh increasing. Here, so we will write first of all in asset cash increase is equal to capital. Here the capital is same. Who? Sachin. How much amount invested? 1 lakh. Got it? This is the first transaction. Okay, moving to the second transaction. This is only for your understanding. I am rubbing it. Second transaction. See in your book. Purchase good in cash of rupees 50,000. Purchase good in cash of rupees 50,000. So I will write here. Purchased good in cash. Okay. What is happening here? Here also two transaction is impacting. One is goods purchase. Goods purchase means stock is increasing and it purchased in cash. So cash is going down. When we are purchasing something, so I will take out from my pocket some money and give to him. And then I will take some stock. So my cash will reduce and stock will increase. That is only for understanding. So here what is impacting? Stock. Stock is what? Our asset. So I will write here. Stock comes under the asset because it is under the asset. So here what will be? Cash is reducing. How much cash we purchased? I purchased around 50,000. I am writing it again. So minus 50,000. And then here stock 50,000 is equal to liability. Nothing is there. Okay. Here the capital any impact? No. Liability any impact? No. Nothing is impacted here. So after I will balance the equation, then here I will write. What I will write? I will write here new equation. Our chapter name is accounting equation. So the new equation formed is how much cash with us? 50,000. How much stock with us? 50,000. Acha, that is in plus? Yes. Liability, nothing is there. Capital we have 1 lakh. So if I will total them, it will be of 1 lakh. And it's also of 1 lakh. So nothing is there. Yeah? So they are both are balancing. That is only for your rough work. Okay, moving to our third transaction. See in your book. Purchase furniture from Mr. Samrat Furniture of rupees 20,000. We have purchased furniture from Samrat. So I will write here third transaction. Purchased furniture from Samrat Samrat. Okay. So here again I am purchasing from Samrat. So it is in cash. Is in the book given that it is purchased the furniture in cash. No cash is given. That means he have purchased in. It must be purchased in credit. So here the two things are impacting. One is furniture. Purchase furniture, the furniture is increasing. Acha, from Samrat. Samrat is the seller. Here, that means we have purchased it on credit, not on cash. So what we will do? Here the two things will impact. Liability will increase. Remember, here furniture and the liability will increase. So furniture, I will have to state here the furniture plus furniture. So here cash no impact because it was purchased in cash. Okay, here the stock have an impact, no. But furniture purchase, that means furniture will increase how much? With how much amount he has purchased? 20,000 rupees. So 20,000 furniture will be increased. Liability, acha, it is purchase on credit, so the liability will increase. Okay. Samrat, the person to whom 20,000 need to pay, so Samrat liability will be increased. 0. Again we are balancing it. So here if we will total them, it will come 50 plus 50, 1,20,000. Both are balancing? Okay. This is our new equation. Coming to our fourth transaction, what is the fourth transaction in the book? Purchased sold goods costing 25,000 for 35,000 against cash. Sold good costing 25,000 for 35,000. So here we have to write sold good costing of 25,000 for 35,000. So it is the cost of given. Cost is given 25,000. Now sale on. Okay, now here the sold goods of 25,000 for 35,000. That means here the three things are impacting. First is cash. Goods are sold. That means cash will increase. Our stock in the godown will decrease and our capital will increase. Okay, see how. First, three effect will be there. Goods sold. How much goods we sold? Of 35,000. So we cash received how much? 35,000. Here 35,000 we received cash. Stock is reduced by how much amount? 25,000. Cost is 25,000. So stock will be reduced by 25,000. Now, capital, the difference between both of them will be capital increase how much? 10,000, 35,000 minus 25,000. So here I will write plus 10,000. Everything remaining same. So now the new equation will be made. 50,000 plus 35,000, 85,000. 50,000 minus 25,000, 25,000. 20,000 equals to 20,000 plus 1,10,000. So again, if you will see, this new equation will be formed. And new equation says that if you will total them now, 1,18,000 plus 20 is equal to 1,30,000. If you will total all them, 85,000 plus 25,000, 1,10,000 plus 20,000, 1,30,000. So that means asset is equal to liability plus capital. Got it by everyone? Practice it in your copy. That is the only one question which we are solving today. As you will do the practice now, then only this kind of question will be come to you, because this is new for you. Thank you.